Habai keren bikinang patai kubur hadian balawai ke jingialang, Bah Prestone tensong uluong bala syem katu kene kirai, bad ula batharu ya katrat beri kemi, Inspector General beri kemi, bakin ai tilot ya berok gijing tip babanya, ki gijing ki baki ya kendo lakadaya kitiar kitar lan ki brio, kenang baka sorkar kan yo ban kemi benia. Ulang baha ke jingialang kle keren ru akabedai bat ka fire safety audit iki yeng bat gijing tai. Bala batha ya ka fire service wing bagian IT ya berok gijing tip gijing ajing mut cak sorkar. Bat hadian bagi sorkar kelai opdiang ya gijing ajing mut kan salumbiang ya ke jingialang. Ulang ba an saya tai sani bahai gijing dan kam banwan ra ya ka fire safety policy bat ki kendon kam tam ya ke jakasor ka balong kebedan kam kerkir.
Decision we taken where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have, whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower. I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government, and then we will see one by one to meet those requirements, whatever ideally is possible. So this is the direction I've given to them.
So what about the fire safety auditing of buildings, government buildings, including secretariat?
Yes, that also is part of it. That's what I'm telling you. I've already told the fire service wing to submit all the details. The details means recommendation, suggestion, views to the government, and then from there, once I receive all this, well, I will call again a meeting. We'll discuss in the higher authority. We will discuss, and then I think we need to come up with the policy. We need to come up with full SOP, especially in the urban areas, which I personally feel it is needed very, very urgently. And once that is done, I'm very sure we will come out with the SOP and the notification accordingly.
Bah Prestone tensong ula pentebru bagi sorkar jelak dan api gijing terwan nag polis headquarter nag benta ban penka ya ke polis commissionerate bala debta ya ke tenat MLP bat ya UDGP ban penkre e berok gijing dan kam bat ban pa gijing terwa syak sorkar. Uli itu bagi gijing tung kam Thymmai ki pulet ru kelajan deb menta tangba kelami pat katu ke gijing e namar gijing dan kam ban penkala ha rule jangka recruitment board batang sudap le ekania on sepen benano gijing tung kam kumba hajar san sepatli ki kam ki balai.
New recruitment, now the process is almost completed, where few issues were there relating to the recruitment board rules. So few issues were there where ultimately I have to take to the cabinet. Cabinet will also hopefully they'll approve the few changes in the rules which needs to be made, and once that is done, then we will go for advertisement and we will complete the whole process of recruitment again. Roughly, we need to recruit in the next recruitment board, I think minimum 2,500 personnel.
Bah Prestone tensong ubah kemi ekatnat PWD buildings ulah lumi ke jingialang banetai ke bedai bat kikam kijam jaga jingtei ke yang dor bartauan Thymmai ke jelah. Habai keren beginau patai kubur Bah Prestone tensong ulong bat kikam kijam keliat bahasa kemat bat anelek ban pendep ke jingtei ke yang dor bartauan halanishwa jong unailar ke senam arhajar arpusau. Bat syan ansa sedang noru ke jingtei ya ke dom Thymmai. Bah Prestone tensong ulong ba gejing penelut benrap namar gejing kelem udom kam dan satya. Mereka dantang gejing penelut benrap alo gejing tiat ikitiar Thymmai. Ndre ya kaneru omdan gejing tiap kebatikena namar kedai kebahap benekren ha kahai power committee. Nalor kania ulitu bagi sorkar keladap bio ke song tengka bantai ke circuit house lane ka Meghalaya house bat mentai kidang penkrek ban khotno ke tanda bantai ya ka Meghalaya house ke Thymmai ha Aurangzeb road ha ka jing penlut ka bakot laipo hado laipwe kelur tengka.
About the GAD and again PWD building relating to construction of second house, or we call it Meghalaya house in Delhi, and that is in RSF Road. which was previously known. So, in fact, we already got a sanction. Now we are working out the necessary documents to invite the tender for construction of the new mega house at Aurangzeb Road.
What is the estimated budget?
In fact, the sanction amount is about 30, around 30 crores, 31 crores.